How to fix a weft float in your fabric. So you're going to need some yarn of the same colour, scissors and a needle. And then you're just going to go through and trim any ends that are really long. Sort of 10-15 centimetres is about what you want. Any shorter and they'll disappear. And then you're going to go through and just see if you can identify any floats. And they usually look a little bit like this. In this case, you can see where the warp has jumped over the weft, and I'm just highlighting it here with my needle. You're going to start about 1 inch away, and then you're going to use your needle to go through that same row that has been missed, and you're going to pick up all the threads that should be up, and you can see that I'm sewing down the thread that's floating. So if it's floating, you want to make sure that your weft or your row is going over the top of it. And you can see that I'm continuing out the other side with my needle, and I'm going to go about 1 inch away. You could probably get away with going a little bit further. You don't need to do the whole row, but you want it to be enough that when you wash it, it doesn't fall out. You're going to draw the length of the thread through the row, and you're going to make sure that you leave a bit of thread either side of that row you've just sewed, otherwise it'll come out during washing. So I'd leave yourself at least 2 inches either side. Bit of shuffle and you can see the floats are gone.